Step 1. Press COM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hash. Step 2. Press 0, 5, to enter interior zone menu. Step 3. Press 3 to set zone 3 as interior zone. Then press hash. It is toggle based, press 1 to enable or disable interior zone. Specific LED will indicate whether the zone is set up as interior zone or not. Then, step 4, press COM and hash to exit. You may refer to the installation manual for more details. All done, thank you.